You have some time.
Shall recording started. Uh, Hello and welcome to the Big Brain Time podcast. My name is Kalim and I'm with
Hi
Ashish.
guys. Hi
And
guys. This is episode 4, right?
yeah, this is episode 4. मैं लेटे सोच रहा था कौन सा episode है and I was feeling too lazy to open my own channel and see कि कौन सा episode है. And sorry कुछ अगर noises आए तो because I'm recording early so room वगैरह कुछ lock नहीं कर सकता मैं. So
We had to start early आज थोड़ा सा.
होता है.
But
So
anyway, you
हम्म,
saw the title, episode 4. So we're discussing Loki's episode 3 that just came
yeah,
out.
yeah. Spoiler alert पहले से.
Yes,
And
they've read the title.
yeah, this episode is going to be in two segments. Pehla segment is going to be just for Loki, and the second segment is going to be for Formula One French GP, right? Yeah.
Exactly.
मैंने
That's
कुछ कुछ
something that also happened.
highlights देखे हैं, but like I couldn't understand much. 6 minute का highlight देखा and like I was like ठीक है मैं आशीष से
Yeah,
पूछूं.
the sport is really complicated. If
हम्म,
our listeners are interested, we could keep the segment and I can explain it to you, like to a beginner, what Formula One is like,
yeah, yeah.
since it's something I've followed for quite a few years. So I know some shit, I guess.
तो
But anyhow,
अगला
let's get
segment हम
into
ऐसा
it.
करेंगे ना. देख uh,
Bolo.
we can do like 15 minutes ka basic introduction and 15 minutes you can discuss the French GP ka like the entire beginning till the end.
Right,
We can discuss that,
right,
right?
right. Definitely,
चल
definitely.
आते हैं लोकी पे.
Let's start with the issue in hand.
Hmm.
So, episode 3,
Uh,
opening comment. What do you
uh,
think?
I was correct. ये थोड़ा
Yeah.
side गया episode. Like
You definitely got that pinpoint एकदम.
अगर तू देखेगा WandaVision या Falcon and the Winter Soldier सब mid season में it was going somewhat like this and then it made a comeback, right? The middle episode is always the one जो थोड़ा slow होता है and it derails from the story,
Yeah.
but ये वाला भी made a comeback. Spoiler, we find out कि TVA पे जो लोग काम करते हैं the Minutemen, they are all variants
Exactly.
from
They're all
Earth.
variants.
Yeah. So
And
chronologically
all,
चलते हैं.
let's start.
Okay. So first we get right from the mall ना वहाँ से they are shifted. No. We are introduced to C20. Miss Minute
Exactly.
C20, and she is sitting in a restaurant discussing, and they are sipping something like a cold drink or soft drink, something like that. And
Mm-hmm.
she gets brain freeze.
Coffee cold opening for that,
Yeah.
to be fair. It came out on Thursday or Wednesday,
It comes out every
the
Wednesday.
episode.
Every Wednesday.
Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. I guess इसलिए थोड़ा सा faded सा लग रहा है opening because the episode was quite low and slow.
Dull. Yeah.
Let's just say. So उसमें we get to know about Loki, Lady Loki, but how she described herself as Sylvie. So let's refer to her as Sylvie.
Mhm.
I think opening was a little bit dramatic, so to say.
Mhm.
I think they could have depicted it in a better way, but आगे जाके they explain it कि her powers only work uh, deriving कि उनका mental
Like
power कितना strong है, right?
yeah. And through touch,
So
right?
yes, she touches them and she can basically influence their minds.
Mhm.
And I think it's a stroke of genius with her character, and I would want to see more of her. I
Uh,
think, yeah, what?
मेरा जब शुरू हुआ and when they talk
Mhm.
about entire the brain freeze segment कि when you have a
Yeah,
brain freeze and somebody tells you something you won't be able to answer. So मेरे दिमाग में
yep.
सबसे पहले आया like होता है क्या ऐसा है? Should I give myself a brain freeze and try to see it? Because एक तो गूगल करने का मन नहीं करता यार, पता नहीं फोन उठा के गूगल करो फिर बाद में आई कंप्लीटली फॉरगेट अबाउट, बट अभी मैं बैठा तो मुझे याद आया कि ओ या like does it
I
actually.
don't know. I am not so sure. I haven't done that.
Yeah, like
But
किसी के साथ.
we got to see very little of Mobius, which I kind of missed out.
Yeah.
Mobius was pretty good. Throughout the episode, we only had Tom Hiddleston and Sophia Di Martino. The
Hmm.
पूरे run time में, right?
Yeah, yeah,
There was no one else.
yeah,
Beach
yeah.
में we had Ravona, but even then, that was a what 5-10 second segment, right?
Ramona was
When
like
they
for
came
10
to
seconds.
when they came to infiltrate जो पूरा plan था and how it all collapsed because of Loki.
So,
I I I don't know because when we see when we cut to Sylvie when she came in the time the TVA. So
mhm.
उस time पे we get to see कि she does not know if her powers are going to work
Yeah.
because she was expecting her powers to work, but they
Mhm.
didn't.
Yeah.
So I think that was one the first bummer कि उसके plan में जो fault निकल रहे थे. One
Mhm.
on the other and the entire plan which she had in the making for years, it all started to collapse.
Yeah.
And that led us to what was that planet
Lamentis one. Yeah.
exactly. Thank you for remembering these because the episode was so forgetful, yeah. Like
The
honestly,
Mhm.
after the roller coasters that were episode 1 and 2, it was a reality check.
Yeah.
Yes, we have to squeeze out 6 episodes. You cannot have everything at once.
I feel like episode 4, 5 भी ऐसे अच्छे होंगे. They will be like up, and then
Mhm.
in episode 6 you have to wrap up. To wrap up an entire season
Yeah,
in 6 episodes is difficult. And
six is going to have a lot of plot
yeah,
for
yeah,
sure.
yeah. How are you
By
going
the
to
way things
connect
are going up.
everything? Yeah, या तो
Hmm.
2 घंटे का episode दो, like the
Acha,
final episode.
have you seen episode 4 का trailer? Let's not discuss it, but I'm asking you, तुमने देखा?
मुझे इतना आइडिया है कि दे शो है यंग सिल्वी इन टीवीए, इतना आइडिया
Hmm.
है मुझे. हाँ,
Yeah,
so like
that was in the trailer.
हम्म.
That could be nice, but let's not deviate any further. Episode 3.
चल
What are the other interesting tidbits?
हम्म. So we start with the restaurant. She tells कि golden
Mhm.
lift के पीछे है the timekeepers, right? Sylvie goes there. Her magic doesn't work.
Mhm.
Loki follows her. Our
Mhm.
original Loki follows her, and he finds his
Yeah,
daggers, right? From that
yeah.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको, storage या whatever that is.
Storage sharpens here, pale. He
Mm,
remembered it.
yeah, he gets his dagger and he spins it. Like that is the most interesting part. Like when he spins the dagger, and
No, I think there was more, man. Come on, let's be real. Who
oh,
doesn't love a drunk Loki?
we need to
That
talk
was
about the music. From beginning, the music was really good, right? In this episode, the
music really picked up.
yeah.
Starting May, it was it whose song was it? I remember it quite
Mhm.
vividly. It was I think let me check real quick actually.
Mhm.
Loki.
So the music was really good. The first thing that I noticed, मतलब black screen से and the entire Marvel logo, it was coming up. So the music was really catching up, and even during the brain freeze and stuff, it was good. Then we are immediately in TVA and not TVA, in the mall, and वहां से
Mhm.
continue होता है, and eventually
Yeah.
we are in TVA. So वहाँ they both discuss. Loki tries to again recruit her, the
Mhm.
variant Sylvie.
But she tells him that she's not interested in a deal and she's the
Yeah,
superior one, as
yeah,
we've mentioned a couple lot of times.
yeah.
But
So
it's good to see they're both equally petty.
yeah.
Also, you
Mm-hmm.
foreshadowed it.
Mm-hmm.
You foreshadowed something major last episode, man.
I don't
What are
remember.
the chances that they will make out?
Yeah.
And dude, Joe episode, I was like, the things are getting way too serious. This is
Mhm.
borderline. I don't even want to say like, is there a word that can fit here? Like a correct word
I mean, go F yourself.
to fill in that relationship?
I mean, go
I
F
don't think
yourself
so.
is the most appropriate word. Like, like
Well,
go
there you
F
go,
yourself.
everyone. But definitely, so the chemistry was there. I
Yeah.
could see it
Mhm.
definitely, and for the people who were like still thinking that what song was in the title card, it was Demons by Hayley Kiyoko.
Okay.
Sorry, we did not know that song, but the beat was dope.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Entire
It was
Marvel
good for
logo coming up.
introducing.
Yeah.
It was definitely good for introducing Sylvie. It
And
was a cold open, but it picked up.
the song was good. The episode was not so good, but
People can have varying opinions.
it
कुछ लोगों को
got
पता
you.
है, a lot of people love to go into the lore. Like जो episodes boring होते हैं ना, there's like a lot of fan base which loves that because they get to see beat छोटे minor details.
It's
Like
like
we can see Loki का पूरा plan fail हो गया है, they're about to die. Everything is failing. Literally, even वो train वाला जो sequence था, they get thrown out of the train.
yeah. So
But I think it was all set just to get more plot through and निकालते रहो कैसे ना कैसे करके.
it was a filler episode more or less.
Pretty
So
much.
it felt like one of those. तू Mandalorian देखता है? Star Wars Mandalorian.
Oh no, I haven't
So
seen it.
basically, Mandalorian is like set in the Star Wars universe. The idea
Right.
behind that show is that it's a Western set in space, Western movie set in space. Plus,
Okay.
every episode is like an individual storyline. It has its own mission, which eventually connects to the bigger storyline. So it felt like that. It went sideways, but it was an individual storyline of its own, which will come back and connect. लेकिन हमको like as
The
a
storyline was just a little bit. Let's be real. That जो last
yeah,
में पता लगा that
that's what I
it's all
was
normal
coming
beings.
to. कि as a viewer, you are used to from the very first episode, you are used to the thing that it's connected to everything, and now you are
There's a
getting
bigger plot.
yeah थोड़ा side में आके and then you'll make a comeback. Like it feels like leaving something midway and then coming back.
I guess. Mandalorian, I was suggested to watch it. It's
mean,
from the Star Wars universe, शायद से इसीलिए. I haven't seen much of Star Wars. I've seen the Clone Wars when it came out. I was a kid. कुछ नहीं समझ आया था, obviously.
Yeah,
But
because you need to know the entire lore.
exactly, I don't want to like say any of my opinions on that because the fan base is crazy for Star Wars. I've seen it. They'll go
So
ham.
so then we are in Lamentis 1, and
Limited one.
when they introduce the entire planet, उनको ऐसा feel नहीं लगता like should I know this planet or
The
have I
color
seen it?
palette was pretty good. The color palette was pretty good. But
थोड़ा neon
then
hue
again,
type.
I thought कि they are going out of the plot, but like I think they're just trying to set up things for the next phase of Marvel movies. I guess
Yeah.
that's why ये लोग जितना नया जगह ऐसे however they can show it, they're trying to showcase all these places because I think इनका आगे जाके कोई significance है. For sure.
Yeah, you are correct in the sense. I'll again go back and refer to Mandalorian. Even if viewers not like listeners or viewers, if anybody is not familiar, I'll just say that in Mandalorian mein, they are exploring new planets which they haven't explored in other Star Wars project. It feels like a Marvel का अगला phase आ रहा है. So they are trying to introduce more new planets because it is going to be space based. Eternals are and then like it is going to go to space completely, right?
Even this trailer came out for this new Marvel movie. क्या नाम था
Shang-Chi.
उसका?
Shang-Chi, right?
The Shang-Chi.
Yeah.
The 10 rings thing, right?
Yeah.
Wait, let me look it out. Shang-Chi, right?
Shang-Chi and the Legend
I
of
don't
Ten
want to
Rings.
pronounce it wrong.
No, it should be
It
Shang-Chi.
definitely was intriguing, and I think he'll also be intertwined आगे जाके with the cinematic Avengers and all stuff.
Yeah. They introduced
That's what I
even Abomination at the end. Abomination is
Yeah,
like
yeah. छोटा सा sequence like 5-10 seconds का I saw that.
at the end of the trailer. लोगो
But
याद नहीं
अभी
होगा.
when they sneaked in that She-Hulk is going to come, Mark Ruffalo's Hulk was also introduced. He'll also be starring in it. So
Yeah.
we can also get Abomination versus Hulk again.
Again, yeah.
After, obviously Sony messed that one up.
Mhm.
Another one.
नहीं नहीं, सोनी के पास नहीं, आई थिंक यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियोज के पास है ना राइट्स ऑफ हल्क. सोनी,
Abomination.
या यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियो के पास है हल्क का राइट्स, दैट्स व्हाई दे
Let
कांट
me
मेक
look
एन
that up.
इंडिविजुअल हल्क मूवी.
The Incredible Hulk.
या सो
It came out
यूनिवर्सल
like so
स्टूडियोज
long ago, though.
आराम से एक डेकेड तो.
2008, definitely.
स्टूडियो कौन सा है देखना.
It's wait, it's not either, I think.
आई थिंक उसके जैसा होगा ना, जैसे
Oh, no,
सोनी.
it's distributed by Universal. Exactly, spot on.
Yeah, it's like one of those Spider-Man movies की Marvel in association with Sony या ऐसा कुछ type. So हाँ हम
Definitely, that's big. अच्छा, let's get back to the episode. अब बहुत जोर से derail हो जाते हैं.
yeah. And we have थोड़ा कम time today. We will record this in two parts. So we are in Lamentis 1. The first thought that comes to my mind is that should I know this planet? No, I don't. I have absolutely no clue. And मैं Google नहीं करता.
उसके बाद should I care for these characters? No,
No.
nothing. It was just like it was one massive, colossal.
Yeah.
I don't want to bleep it, but you get it.
Yeah.
So, in that episode, एकदम से you're introduced with all these new some sort of a policing system, and I'm supposed to be like they're the ones who are the good guys, but it really doesn't matter since everyone's going to die now.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
And
everyone was so chill about it,
the
obviously because
funny
पता नहीं
thing
था, I
is
guess.
that the funny thing is that Lamentis में what is actually happening is that the moon is crashing with the planet, right?
Yeah.
And the funny part is that when we are first introduced, जो भी mining वाला area में we are introduced, we see like meteors falling या जो भी था, like explosion हो रहा
They
है
were way
constant.
too close. वो 12
So
hours कैसे हो जाता है?
yeah, and they managed to save themselves. And what Sylvie does is that, I mean वो उसमें चले जाते हैं ना, that क्या बोलते हैं, mining house or
Train thing.
no, the
Oh, they
way
were about to get crushed by a meteor,
yeah,
but then they
so
save themselves. But फिर वो normally ऐसे casually चल रहे हैं. पहले it's a minefield when they are introducing the players, saving each other's ass. But the plot armor, the plot armor here,
yeah, I was
it's coming
coming to that.
strong.
कि जब वो ट्रेन पे चढ़ते हैं, my first thought was that how come none of the tracks were attacked by a meteor. वो meteor गिरना ही बंद हो जाता है, so एक ही region में गिर रहा
Exactly.
था, कहाँ गिर रहा था, they don't specify. And Lamentis say they go to a small town जहाँ there is an old lady, and both of them try their own way of influencing that lady. Sylvie tries to,
It's just a comedy relief, I think. And then they both fail miserably.
yeah, and their magic is like worthless here. So now they are on the train. It's called an ark, of course, inspired
They're
by
headed to
Noah's
the
ark
ark.
in the Bible. So
Yes.
they have, so they're aboard the ark, and it's very funny how they get
वहां पे भी
aboard.
इतना जोर से classism चल रहा था. Did you see that? Like
Yeah.
everyone on board of the train, oh gosh,
I mean,
it's the same shit over and over again.
if the world was
Even in different planets.
going to end, obviously the rich people will be saved first, right? Uh,
Yeah, that's a whole different area which we haven't explored. But
yeah.
anyhow, the only comedy relief on that arc was when Loki gets drunk and then they are talking about love. And then he
Yeah.
calls it the dagger. I thought it was beautiful.
Yeah.
Analogy for love. It might
And
sound cringy, but I guess.
I think I was
What did you
cringing.
think?
I was cringing the whole time
Was a
because
bit cringy too.
ऐसा लग रहा था ना कि जबरदस्ती, this entire discussion is जबरदस्ती. But then I saw a fan theory that said कि maybe Sylvie managed to enchant him, because at the beginning of the episode, what happens is that at the beginning of the episode we see that Sylvie is doing
He's
the same thing.
holding as a,
Yeah.
and then he's like, my mind is pretty strong. You can't do anything.
Yeah, no. I was saying that at the beginning of the episode, like the very first beginning, she is having a conversation with C20, right? And she's doing
Right.
the same thing. She is having a heart conversation just to extract out the information. So the entire arc feels
And to
like
waste time, of course.
yeah. So the entire the train sequence feels like she's trying to get something out of Loki,
Nee,
right?
but if that was that was the case, I don't think we say Ramsay she could have slept through, because Loki के typical character में we all know how slippery he is, and even like before she went to sleep, she said, "I won't sleep because I don't trust you," and
Yeah.
all that, whatever. And उसके बाद I think this somewhat is theory के ऊपर I can somewhat have a doubt because of that one thing that Sylvie points out, but does exactly like
The
5 minutes later.
yeah, and इसलिए I am having
Why
more.
do movies do that? Like
See,
highlight ki I am not going to do that. Does the exact same thing in 5 minutes.
see, it's Loki. You have to expect the expected, right? They say in the beginning of the show.
Tom Hiddleston in his episode 4 wala trailer, he said expect the unexpected, which is like polar opposite.
Yeah. So when Sylvie goes to sleep, I feel like she did it to gain his trust because subconsciously you still have some, uh, some power and you can still
Hmm.
control things. So in order to gain trust, maybe she slept because we
But
are,
it really doesn't matter. Loki was drunk anyway.
yeah. And then he gets
I
into a
I
fight
think
and
it was a good sequence. उसके बाद थोड़ा जो action sequence, I think it was a bit comical.
yeah, the action sequence was good. Even at the beginning of the episode, जब TVM में they fight, the action
Hmm.
sequence was good.
They're pretty short, but they're fine. Okay, like you can't
Hmm.
expect every episode to keep carrying the same pace. But now you'll run out of content way too soon. You
Yeah,
won't be able to explain इतना depth में.
इसलिए I was
But
not
anyway,
disappointed कि ये slow episode था
definitely not.
because
Slow
they,
to था,
हम्म, वो आना ही
but
था at
pacing
some
ठीक ही
point.
थी. I think. हाँ होना था ultimately. They have a lot of plot points to cover and काफी
Hmm.
आगे का next cinematic universe to set in motion. Let's be
Hmm.
real. This is where it all starts. Loki.
Hmm. Hmm.
आगे जाके like who knows, maybe 10 years बाद में we'll be
Hmm.
like how Iron Man started in '08.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll look back and think,
Hmm.
remember this thing that we watched during the pandemic?
Yeah. Like it could be the
That could be
beginning of
something.
something bigger. So
Definitely.
they are out of the train, and we are going really fast with this episode because we need to end it quicker, and we will continue
Mhm.
tomorrow morning. Don't worry. So they are out of the train. They have a conversation. Sylvie goes
Yep.
mad and she screams, and they have like heart-to-heart conversation, right? And she explains to him how her power works, just so that they can trust
Mhm.
each other. Because he shared almost everything. We missed
Yeah,
something.
our Loki talks way too much,
Yeah,
man.
we missed
But that's
something
that's his charm, I think.
really big during the train sequence that Loki dropped that he is bisexual.
Oh yeah, that
Yeah,
too. She said maybe a prince or a princess, and Loki
yeah,
just smiles.
yeah. A bit
Does
of
not
both.
agree or deny that.
He says a bit of both, right?
Hmm.
Both of them say a bit of both. Uh,
Hmm.
something that is
I
really
guess this was to cover the plot. So like last year drop हुआ था कि Loki is gender fluid, right? And
yeah. Even during the
about his
trailer
taste,
you can see.
he's bi. They
Hmm.
hinted that. काफी
So
पहले, but
what's funny is that they only hinted it. Like, क्या Disney Plus
hmm.
shows do they air it in China? I don't think so. Like because
Hmm.
they
I'm
can,
pretty sure नहीं.
and agar if even if they do, they will definitely cut this scene out.
I'm pretty sure they have a rip-off of Disney in China. If
No,
we research hard enough.
they इनका पैसा बढ़िया तो चाइना इंडिया से आता है. So they always try to
Definitely.
appeal to the audience. The uh, like in Doctor Strange, they changed the entire plot from Tibet to took it to Nepal. Even
Yeah.
they do make those changes just to please.
Small minor changes just to please the variating audiences.
Yeah. So
They did it in a lot of Pixar movies as well. Let's be real, जो animation होती थी.
mhm.
Just to suit the flavors of the viewers, I guess.
So it's
Acha, but
maybe
okay,
hmm,
let's move forward with the plot.
okay, okay. कहाँ थे हम? Yeah,
So
now
we
they
are
are,
out.
yeah.
They are walking, and they have. Uh, okay, we have talked about that. They reach the arc, and there's bloodshed, and there's a lot of violence, and all the sort of buzz that you can imagine. But I think that scene was really poorly handled.
Mhm.
Like how they were cutting the cameras in sequences through and
Yeah,
through.
yeah. Entire they have.
Those cuts really did not feel. They didn't appeal to me. If
Mhm.
I'm being honest. You remember like how एक chase scene say how they'll pick up to another chase scene. It just felt like yeah, okay, a lot of CGI went here, but it's to me it seemed pretty evident,
Mhm.
and it could have been a little bit, you know, little bit less of that, but a little bit more on the plot. Because they're running the entire time, they're fighting slowly with these
Yeah, even the fight
blue
didn't make
police, whatever.
sense. The
It just didn't
so
seem too
mhm.
Loki-ish, like how we've been doing away episode 1 and 2 now. Like the
Mhm.
camera work and all.
Uh,
Little
I
bit shabby.
I think हर episode में नया director होता है क्या? Like, or is it the same director? I didn't check. So,
I don't think so.
hmm, the thing is that they discussed कि they will try to make sure the arc never leaves or it leaves. I forgot. But whatever it
Mhm.
is, they try to stop the arc. And there is
Yeah,
entire chase sequence, fight sequence because of that. Because and one thing that I noticed is that like a huge building was falling and Loki managed to control it with his power. I have never seen that
yeah.
power. Like, does it?
I think he picked up a time stone.
Yeah.
Call me crazy, but I think he picked up a time stone
Hmm.
because the way he just manipulated it like that. I don't think Loki has those powers.
No,
But
he
if he does, I guess I'm wrong then.
but
I think
if
he might.
he does, then that's a huge like plot hole because multiple opportunities थे उसके पास to do such moves in previous movies. He never did that. This is the first time we are seeing him completely control a huge object. It's not a small object because in the second episode or third episode, no, second episode, we saw him pick
Yeah,
up something like just through his with his hands, right? It directly came to his hand
yeah.
while he was fighting with Sylvie. I mean, Lady Luke.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
we saw that something comes directly to his hands, but here he is trying to,
It
lift.
was a toaster, right? A
Yeah,
toaster
yeah.
or something
I think it was a
in the
gym
fighting
equipment. I
sequence.
think whatever it
Yeah,
is,
yeah, okay.
something did came to his hand, but
Hmm.
we have never seen him control a huge object like a building.
Yeah. I think there's going to be some sort of an explanation going forward for that. But this is something major, definitely, for coming episodes.
हम्म टाइम स्टोन वाला
Okay,
थ्योरी
where does
ज्यादा
that
सही
lead
है.
us? Time Stone wala definitely, I think it appeals to a lot of audiences after what we saw in Doctor Strange and all, because we saw how it all works. And to be honest, it did make a lot of differences, even in the end game. So I think people are just, very inclined towards that idea, I see, just for that one simple reason.
Like,
You
I
would not
feel
want to
like
see it.
if I was Kevin Feige, then I would be moving away from the time stones. Like, I would be
Definitely.
hinting them here and there, and like how it used to be such a huge deal, but it doesn't work. At the end of the day, the
We've
story
seen the
remains.
best it can all do.
Yeah, at this end of the day, we have seen the TVA, and
Mhm.
this is the biggest power in the entire universe. Like they mention it
Yeah.
in the first episode itself, right? Is this the greatest power in the entire universe? So
Yeah, Loki asked that question to Mobius.
and
I remember.
ये मार्वल का अगला फेज है. They would try to
Mhm.
dissociate
They want to
themselves.
move away from the Infinity Saga. I get your point.
Yeah,
But I guess like if we all want to romanticize this idea because we've seen it and
nostalgia.
we've all liked it on the biggest screens, so
Mhm.
I don't see why they would try to cut it away. But definitely to establish the next sequence, they need to do something major to
Mhm.
step things in motion आगे जाके.
वरना people will
And
be really
definitely,
weird. So
like we said, take it all with a grain of salt. It
mhm.
has its following people who would like it and the
Mhm.
people who would not. You know,
Mhm.
it's just equal to the both sides.
So the biggest information that we get about this episode is that all the
Right at the
Minutemen
end,
in the TVA are variant, and
Mhm.
their memories
they
has been
they
wiped out.
skimmed past it so
Yeah,
quickly.
yeah, yeah. Like it's not a
Like
big
even
deal.
Loki is shocked. Okay, what? And then I'm expected to see them, of course, run again
Yeah,
because
yeah.
they are going to die. So
And
yeah, that was a little bit.
sus.
They could have talked about it in a different sequence, right?
Yeah,
Don't
yeah,
you
yeah.
think?
I think अगले episode
When
में
they were
we'll.
having those sit-down conversations,
Yeah, yeah. So I
which they
think.
had plenty of,
Mm-hmm. So अगले episode में we are going to get another sit down episode, right? Because
probably because we
during
saw that in the trailer that
multiple
they're
times,
sitting by some lake,
and
right?
it looks like Lamentis one itself only.
Lamentis one only because of the color palette that they're using for the planet.
Yeah,
It is a planet, right?
yeah, it is a planet. Lamentis one is a planet, and probably a new planet for everybody in the MCU. Maybe it was introduced in
Mhm.
comics, but it's a new planet for everybody here.
In the
So
cinematic universe, so for sure.
yeah, yeah. So what do you think about that?
Okay.
Like, it really makes sense ki the C20 was obsessed with that restaurant because she really liked it. Even Sylvie reveals that, right?
Yeah.
Sylvie
She
says it.
said that before you were in, when you were on Earth, you were obsessed here about this place and margaritas.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I think uh, about this whole sequence.
Mhm.
There's something that Sylvie's hiding. I
Mhm.
definitely think there's more to this,
Yeah,
because it doesn't cover everything that we saw. I think there's more that can be added out from that sequence on its own
yeah.
because you don't exactly see people do that, do you? Like even when Wanda manipulates with anyone, they
Mhm.
don't tell you how she does it, do they?
Yeah.
But they all have their different ways of doing it. So
Mhm.
what is the exact reason that they showed it to us right at the start of the episode?
Mhm. Yeah, a lot of the things don't add up if you think about it properly. Like, why?
Mm-hmm.
And one of the things is that she tells that she reveals
Mm-hmm.
her entire power. Ki I have to hold someone, and if they have like a thoda weaker brain, it's easier for me. If they have a very strong mind, then it takes me thoda time, but I eventually get it. But
Right.
what do you think about the entire
Anyway,
Minuteman thing?
wait a second. Wait a second.
Mhm.
Do you have a dog?
I don't have a
Do you
dog.
have a
It's my
dog?
neighbor's dog.
Oh man, that dog is going crazy.
Yeah,
Well, anyway, sorry. We all love dogs.
there's a dog, and then there are street cats that go really mad when they are in heat. Sometimes I wake up
Uh,
at like 3 a.m. just to chase away those cats because they go crazy. समझ रहे हैं ना?
so
Cat.
do you like feed them?
I mean, street cats, they get food
You're a
from me.
cat person, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I have to keep them away from my cat. Fight हो जाता है यार तगड़ा वाला.
Fight हो जाएगा.
मेरे यहाँ
Is
देख.
your cat pretty big?
I mean, देखो. She is
How old is
24
she?
years. 24 years in cat years, right?
Okay, okay, okay.
Human years में कितना होगा? 2 years. Two and a half
2
years.
years. Hmm.
Hmm.
So she's She's big girl. She can take her fights. But okay, let's talk about cats later. Let's finish this one first.
Yeah,
So yeah, your opinion, your take on that one sequence.
I think it makes sense because it makes sense, especially for Mobius. He was reading that jet ski wala book, right?
It
And he
does
was
make a lot of sense. Maybe when he was a human
that's
or
why
whatever he was.
at the same time I was thinking, how does that Chase or Casey, whatever his name was, how does he not remember fish? I will gut you
Uh,
like a fish. How does he not remember that? It makes me wonder.
I think there's something huge going on. Acha, just hear me out. This is
Mm-hmm.
my last theory, okay? I swear
Mm-hmm.
to God.
Mm-hmm.
I think with this episode, they, the timekeepers, by they I mean the timekeepers, I think they have this whole power with which they can completely erase everyone's memories. Like with every a few, say a few hundred years, they
Mm-hmm.
completely blank their memory and they're completely basically refresh.
Yeah.
Who
Mm-hmm.
do that? Because see, they don't know TV. The TVA people don't know who the timekeepers are,
Yeah,
and
nobody has seen them.
so to say, even the TVA does not know that they are all variants.
Yeah.
Kaise? Someone should someone should definitely know that, right? No
Yeah.
one knows.
I think that judge, what was her name? I forget. Jo bhi judge thi.
What?
Uh,
Ravona?
yeah, Ravona. I think she knows.
Renslayer?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. She knows.
I don't think so. Honestly, I think uh, with
Because,
the
see,
progressing episodes, she
mhm.
might turn into a positive character, and so do I think the same for Mobius. I don't think that they exactly know who they're
The
working for.
Mobius definitely will turn into a positive character. And there is
Hmm,
this
we've seen that in the comics.
entire theory that there is not one Mobius, but there are three Mobius, right?
Oh yeah.
Because
Okay.
in the second episode, Mobius has an entire interview or discussion with Ravona, and she mentions you are the one who doesn't
Brings
use
the
the
rings.
the stain because of you. And Mobius is like quite surprised with the fact that it happened because of
I
me.
don't even like rings.
Yeah, so that
There's
adds to.
definitely something memory wash going on here.
I
I
don't
don't
think
know,
it's
but
memory
I
wash.
see something.
I think the three Mobius or four Mobius, how many Mobius that are, they don't know each
Hmm.
other, and at the same time they are existing. Comics में there are three Mobius, right? So
Okay.
I
I think you
think
might be getting at something.
so. क्या होगा कि the main Mobius, which Loki is hanging out with, he will see the other two
Mhm.
Mobius, and then he will realize this is not good. They lied to me, and then he will change and he will join the other two Loki. What do you think?
Those sons of bitches lied to me.
Yeah.
I think possibility is definitely there.
Mhm.
So theory ka, mm, I might have my doubts, but like I said, I'm very fixated with the whole brainwash thing because
Mhm.
no one knows at the TV who they're working for or who the timekeepers are.
The brainwash
And
तो
you
definitely
don't
हो रहा है.
even know what even a fish is. The guy doesn't know what's a fish.
Yeah, yeah.
He's essentially from Earth. He should know about everything that Earth has, right?
The
Fish was pretty basic.
that theory adds up कि brainwash हो रहा है because they remember just one stuff, something they really like.
Mhm.
Someone is remembering
Exactly.
jet ski, someone is remembering those cold drinks, क्या था? Whatever drinks they were having, margarita
An older
something.
version. Okay, that one. Yeah, Macrita.
So some they are specifically holding to something like something very specific, and everything
Mhm.
else around them is completely wiped out.
Yeah, there's nothing more to it.
Yeah.
See, that's where my clean slate thing comes from.
Hmm.
Because essentially, this not remembering anything, it makes them have a clean slate. They are
Hmm.
only holding on to one thing. And why
Hmm.
is that? Because everything has been wiped out.
Yeah.
By whom? By the timekeepers, of course.
Yeah. So with this, we can end this segment, and we will next time you see us, it will be Subaka time, and we'll be discussing French GP. And I'm very sorry because of the dogs barking and stuff.
No, that's okay. That was for like a minute, but it's okay.
I think it was more than a minute.
Sorry
होते
about that.
रहते हैं, मैं तो रात को सो ही नहीं पाता.
कोई नहीं, it's okay. Also, sorry about my messy hair. This
Mhm.
episode was a little bit rushed on my side because of family
Mhm.
and whatnot. But let's cut to tomorrow and we'll start about the French GP and Formula One.
Yeah. Bye guys.